In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB commerce problems under S2 So guys, we're going to focus on the subtopic barriers, advantages and disadvantages of communication as S2 So we have 8 repeated questions practice in the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, a major factor hindering effective communication process is, we have noise, distance, social unrest, climate conditions. So the right answer is option A, which is noise. Okay, the next repeated question is this one. Says communication enhances business activities by, we have ensuring the movement of goods from producer to the consumer, facilitate interaction between producers and consumers, keeps the goods safe until they are needed, facilitate interaction among media houses. So guys, the right answer is option B, which is it facilitate interaction between producers and consumers. Okay, let's play question in this one. Says a demerit of communication is that it makes payments for goods cumbersome, increases the cost of goods in transit, gives room for distortion of facts, hinder quick reception of messages over a long distance. So the right answer is option C. This is a demerit. It gives room for distortion of facts. Next question in this one says the media used for interdepartmental communication include, we have memoranda, advertising and grapevine, memoranda, advertising and face-to-face, circulars, advertisement and telephone, memoranda, circulars and the telephone. So the right answer is option D, memoranda, circulars and the telephone. Okay, next question is one says Nigerian postal services facilitate commerce in all the following ways except through, we have express service, cash on delivery service, recorded delivery service, free on board service. So the right answer to this question is option free on board service. Option D is the right answer, guys. So that's it for this question except through free on board service, option D. Next subject question in this one, it says a distinctive advantage of GSM is we have cost, coverage, mobility, stability. So the advantage of GSM is mobility, option C. Next question is this one, says communication is relevant to business activities because it connects people, creates wealth for people, enhances the delivery of goods and services, reduces the cost and risk of traveling. So the right answer is option C. It enhances the delivery of goods and services. The last question for end this video, this one says commercial activities in Nigeria have greatly been enhanced due to improvement in insurance activities, transportation system, communication network, warehousing activities. Right answer is option B, transportation system. So guys, this is basically you can do problems involving barrier, advantages and disadvantages of communication in S2 for your JAMB commerce. We practice with 8 repeated questions for this subtopic. Hope you listen to interest in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you're subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding the things I've talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure you're part of the membership by clicking the JAMB button, getting payment information and help you to sell your exams like your JAMB and other exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.